What's going on, everybody? My name is Mr. Young, and welcome back to another episode of the Startup Starter Kit. This is the place to learn about business basics and fundamentals, and today we're going to learn about another P in the 4Ps model in a video that I did on the 4Ps of marketing. We're going to learn about promotion and why it's so important for a small business to develop exposure, to do marketing, and more specifically, to promote and communicate your brand and business. So let's get started with today's video on promotion. Now, if you haven't done so already, feel free to subscribe to my channel and you can hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video to YouTube. Thank you to those who comment on my videos, who like my videos, and I'm trying to build this viewership and to build this channel. So I'm going to work hard and post videos as I go back to school and manage a full-time teaching load as well. So I'm trying to build up this channel and I'm trying to provide quality content so that you can learn about the business basics and fundamentals. Now, today's lesson is all about promotion, and promotion is communication. You want to communicate to potential customers, to your existing customer base, and you want to inform, persuade, or even remind them that you have great products and services. So you want to build relationships, you want to build that brand identity, and you do that by promotional objectives and with your promotional plan. So the key to promotion is awareness. You want to build brand loyalty, doing a variety of things within your promotional plan. And all in all, this is going to increase sales for your business and to increase the brand value as well. So you want to tell people and potential customers that, hey, my business exists. I'm right over here. And you can do that by having a great promotional plan. So in this video, I'm going to explain why promotion is important, some promotional objectives for your business that you can have, and ways that you can promote your products very cheaply and also very effectively as well. So it's very cost effective. Now, to understand promotion, you sort of have to understand what communication is all about. Now, remember, when you're communicating to potential customers, it's important to have a key message. What is it that you're trying to get across? What is the purpose of your communication? Oftentimes, you may have noise, such as other competitors that are trying to block your message. But the purpose of your communication is maybe you're trying to introduce to potential customers of your products and services. Maybe you're trying to remind. So all in all, with understanding this communication process, you have a sender, which is the business and yourself, and you have a receiver, which is a potential customer. So you have to figure out the best way and the best channel to get that message across in the most clear way as possible. When you're promoting, it's important to be clear, succinct, and to the point. So now that we've established that promotion is essentially communicating your business and your product offerings to potential customers, why is it so important anyways? It's important for people to know that you exist before buying from you, and it's a vital and essential aspect of any business. Without promotion, businesses can't get any customers because there needs to be some efforts in advertising, putting yourselves out in social media or newspaper, and this is going to drive brand awareness. There's probably a lot of restaurants and businesses that you don't know about in your own neighborhoods or cities because maybe they don't get the word out enough or they don't do enough advertising. So it's one of the 4Ps, and the role of promotion is to stimulate demand, get people to buy your products. You can do some positioning or even branding and differentiation. So if you have a lot of competitors in your area and they're doing the same thing, you can use promotional objectives and ads in order to find ways to make yourselves unique and to stand out from the competition. An example of promotion, free samples. A lot of businesses such as Starbucks or Costco may have some product offerings that are free, and this is intended to drive consumption of that product. So Costco is going to have their individual stations, and that itself is promotion. Maybe you didn't know about those brands and you eat some of those products and you find it to be very delicious. Now, as you're establishing your promotional plan for your business, there's 5 methods of promotion that you can consider. There's personal selling, advertising, direct marketing, sales promotions, and public relations. Now, I've always been a big fan of direct marketing. You want to be in contact with your customers as much as possible. You can manage social media, have email newsletters, and creating buzz for your products organically through these means is very cost effective. You can have a very targeted reach and you don't have to really spend a lot of money. Whereas in advertising, the focus is on mass media, maybe it's a long term strategy. So a lot of larger companies, such as Coca-Cola, Pepsi, these large companies are going to conduct ads such as Super Bowl ads, and you have a high reach, but you also have a high cost as well. So for a small business, I've always been a big fan of direct marketing. Sales promotions are also effective sometimes. So if you have a holiday special, discounts, maybe you have a cash back promotion, or maybe you can offer free shipping. These are also effective ways to sell to your customers, but be wary that with sales promotions, the more you discount your products, the less profit you make per sale. So for promotional marketing, direct marketing is always very effective. Personal selling is you're having dedicated salespeople to try to sell the product. So maybe you have dedicated salespeople or you have a sales team within your small business. But the challenges with personal selling is that it's very costly as well, and they often take a cut of the profits. So direct marketing, having a social media manager can be very effective for your small business. Public relations is also very effective as well when you build a positive brand image. You can do things such as manage your business very ethically. You can talk about how you donate to charity. And public relations can help to build a positive brand image as well. Studies show that when a customer is choosing between 2 companies and one company is very ethical and they have a very good brand image and they donate to charities versus another company that doesn't, they'll tend to donate to the one that has a positive brand image. So when it comes to promotional marketing, you can look at selling direct to customers and also managing your promotions so that you target the customers that you want to sell your products to. Now, here is an example of some other promotions that you can do for your small business. Now, there's quite an exhaustive list, and I can't cover everything in one video, which is why this is an introductory video into promotion, and I'm going to do some special videos on some topics that I find very relevant and very effective for a small business. So some other examples, networking. When I was working at my previous accounting firm, the owner of the accounting firm was actually part of something called the BNI, which is called Business Networking International or something like that. And you would meet prospective customers at the conventions or the meetings. And it was a great way to network with other like-minded professionals and business owners. So my boss was obviously doing something in accounting, and then she could meet other contractors that needed accounting services. So it was a great way to meet other small business owners and to spread the word about your business. You can definitely do websites, email marketing, use e-commerce to establish connections with your potential customer base, look at data analytics, and I'm going to do some videos dedicated to this topic. You can also look at content marketing. Blogs are a great way to generate buzz for your business, and you want to generate some demand, some hype for your business. And with blogs, you can talk about a topic that's relevant to your business and something that your customers would be interested in looking at. So for my accounting firm, sometimes we would talk about the tax tips and the updates for the year. And this was a great way to establish credibility about your business. You can also look at LinkedIn. So you can message potential customers on LinkedIn. Think about your ideal target market. So if you're looking for teachers or some other professionals, then you can message them directly. And this is a great way to reach a very targeted group of customers. And I always think a small business owner should have a few business cards, maybe in your wallet, and then you're going to put a business card maybe in the package that you're going to send to your customers. And this is a great way to establish, again, that brand image, but to also provide some information so that if your customers were to spread the word about your business, they have some contact information so they can share with their friends and their family. And the business cards are a great way to, again, establish the logo of the brand. And you're going to have some slogans, maybe some nice images. And this helps to position your business in the eyes of the customer. So this will be the start of some series of videos within the Startup Starter Kit based on promotion. And I think promotion is so essential that I'm going to spend some time talking about it. But I hope you enjoyed today's introduction to promotion. And here are some of my final thoughts. So if you're going to do promotion for your business, I think you have to go back to your target markets. Think about the best ways to communicate to them, some of the best channels, understand your customers, and then come up with a promotional plan in order to communicate to them. Not every firm is going to use the same promotional strategies. So what might work for McDonald's or Burger King or Wendy's might not necessarily work for your small business. So it's important that when you're investing in promotion, you want to think about the amount of money you spend and the sales that come in, and try to be as effective as possible with your promotion. There's a whole different bunch of promotional methods, like you can do business cards, as I mentioned, networking. But I think for promotion to be effective, it has to be true to yourself, your brand, and your business. So you have to rely on your customers, think about the best ways to communicate to them, and then come up with a promotional plan. In the next video, I'm going to talk about sales funnels and the ADA model. So how you can go from attention and all the way to action and converting just general attention into sales. So I'm going to talk about sales funnels in the next video. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a like, comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you later. So thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye.